Want to secure your LG Smart TV and unlock geo-restricted content? Here are three easy ways to get a NordVPN on your smart TV in 2025. If your LG Smart TV supports VPN apps, especially if it runs Android TV OS, simply open the App Store from your TV, search for NordVPN here, download it and log in with your account. Pick your server and start streaming safely. Not all LG TVs support VPN apps. In that case, set up NordVPN on your home router. This protects every device on your network, including your LG TV, by encrypting all traffic. Just connect your TV to the router's Wi-Fi as usual. The VPN runs in the background. Another option is sharing your VPN connection from Windows PC. Enable the mobile hotspot on your PC running NordVPN, then connect LG TV to this hotspot. Now open Windows settings, go to Network and Internet section. Now find the mobile hotspot, then open it and connect it to your smart TV. And that's it. Thanks for watching.